Now let's see how to create a GCP organization using Google Workspace. Step 1 is to identify a domain. If you do not have a domain, you can create one in domain hosting sites like GoDaddy.com. The below screenshot shows a domain called ctech-academy.com is created in GoDaddy. Step 2. Create a Google Workspace account by clicking Get Started in workspace.google.com. Provide a business name and choose the number of employees and click Next. Below screenshot shows the business name as CTech Academy as an example. Now provide your first and last name as well as a current email address. In this case, I've provided Cloud Skills Mastery superuser@gmail.com. You can always create a dedicated email before you start this process and provide that email while registering for Google Workspace. Next, you will be brought into admin.google.com. So now go under Account and click Manage Domain. Next, click Add a Domain and follow the steps to add your domain. In the below screenshot, you see that ctech-academy.com domain, which was created in GoDaddy, is added. Make sure your status is verified and Gmail activated. Now in this step, you can now add users to your newly created domain by just clicking on the Add Users option. In this case, I've created a user called Diana at ctech-academy.com as an example. The status of this user is active. Now, the password for the new user can be reset or created by clicking the Reset Password option. Please make a note of this password for future use. You will be requiring this password in the next step. So once you make a note of your password, move on to this step. In this step, it is important that we change our account settings to choose a primary admin. As you remember in the previous slide, that we had used Cloud Skills Mastery superuser@gmail.com to sign up for Google Workspace. Now we are swapping that email out for the newly created Workspace user account, which is Diana at ctech-academy.com. So this is done under Account, Account Settings, and Edit Contact Info to update the primary and secondary admin. So I have updated my primary admin to the newly created user and the secondary admin as the email that I used to sign up for Google Workspace. So now you can log off and log back into admin.google.com as your primary admin user, which is Diana, which in my case is Diana at ctech-academy.com. Use the password that you saved in the previous step to log in. Now step 3 is to create a free trial to Google Cloud in order for us to create an organization. So go to cloud.google.com/free and click the Start Free button. So now you can start free using your primary admin user account. So I have used my primary admin user, which is Diana at ctech-academy.com, to sign up. So now you will be brought into this console. Now go to IAM and admin and click Organizations. So this is your navigation menu, the 3 lines on your top left. And under that, you can see your IAM and admin and then organizations. Click on the Go to the Checklist option. This project selector bar right here will automatically give you a first project as you log in. And this is your search bar. So this is your navigation menu, your project selector, and your search bar. Now select Start under Production. Select Create an Organization. And then select I'm a current Workspace customer. It should automatically provide you or list the domain that you actually created. So as you can see in the below screenshot, it shows ctech-academy.com as your domain. If the organization is not listed for some reason, just click the troubleshooting options below and follow the steps. Now go to the navigation menu and select IAM and admin and organization. And now you will see that your newly created organization is listed. If you go to your project selector, you should be able to select the newly created organization. Finally, the primary admin user needs to be granted organization administrator role. In order to do that, just go to the navigation menu, click IAM, and then click grant access and choose your primary admin user, which is Diana at ctech-academy.com as principal, and grant the organization administrator role. That's it. Now your GCP organization is ready for use.